What's up, trader? Welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how you can grow a small account to a big account over time. Either it is a $500 account, $1,000 account, $5,000 account. If you know how to trade profitably and consistently over time, you can change this small account into a bigger account, even $1 million account over time. And to do that, you need to follow certain strategy and certain mindset, and you have to trade consistently. You don't have to spend all day long in your trading to trade this small account. You can allocate a little bit of time every single day and be patient. You can turn this account into a big account. I will show you today. Those who don't know me, my name is Nizam. I create trading related content every day. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this content and stay tuned until the end. I'll show you a real way how you can change this account. At the same time, I will give you a strategy, that simple strategy that you can use in your trading to trade this small account. So let's get started. First of all, I'll tell you what you need to follow to trade in a small account. So number one, patience. Okay, patience is the key to trade in a small account. All right, very important. Number two is strategy. Okay, you need a strategy to trade in a small account. Number three is consistency. Okay, you have to stick to your rules and you have to be consistent in your trading to turn this small account into bigger account. So patience, strategy, consistency, these three things will take your small account into bigger account. Now, how much you can make with a small account, I will show you in a real chart, real account projection, so you get some motivation from here. So let's go to this website called forex21.com. You can write on Google, or you can copy this URL. I'll put a link in the description of this website where you can find out how much you can turn your account to. So after going to this website, you will be prompted in this page. So I clear my data from here. There are three places here. So start balance. So for example, you have a $5,000 account, or you might have a $500 account. No problem. You can place your value here, and then percent per month. Okay. Instead of percent per month, we consider percent per week. So we will count month as a week. So how much you can make a week from your account, that's a very important. Now look, the strategy I will tell you, if you trade say 1 hour a day consistently and stick to the rule, you can make at least 4% per week, considering that you are taking 2% of your account money risk. So what do I mean by this? I mean that when you are trading 2% of your account money in each trade, you will put it at risk. That means you will involve 2% of your account money. That means in $5,000 account, 1% is $50, 2% is $100. So each trade you will put $100 at risk, and when you will make money, you will make more than that. I will show you. That means my strategy will be more than 1:2. So if you lose, you will lose $100 in each trade. If you gain, you will gain $200. That's how at least you can make 4% each week if you stick to the strategy. Now, number of months, because we are considering number of weeks, we will consider this one as number of months. Say, for example, this is number of weeks. So in a year, how many weeks? 52 weeks. Okay. Let's see. So you have a $5,000 accounts, 4% each week, 52 weeks. How much money you may calculate? So let's see. So this is showing in the first week. So it's a not month. It's the first week. Your account is 5,200. In second week, 5,408 because it's compounding each week. The money you are making, the profit, it's taking into in your investment, and that's how it's just turning. So after 52 weeks, this $5,000 account turns into $38,432 after 1 year. You might say that okay, in 1 year it's a little money. Wait, consider that this $5,000 is still the same initial investment and you didn't add a single coin. You didn't take out a single coin from this account. Let's see what happened after 3 years. After 3 years. So how many weeks after 3 years? For example, we can consider 50 weeks in a year, say 2 weeks you will not trade. So it will be 150 weeks. Let's see what happened. So after 150 weeks, this $5,000 account will turn into $180,000. Guys, $180,000, you are turning a $5,000 account. Can you imagine in 3 years' time? Now, let's see in 5 years' time. See, you have to think long term. All the people who succeed in life, in business, in any area of life, they always think long term. If you think short term, get rich quick, you will blow out your account. You can't do anything. Okay, no, it's not possible to be get rich quick. You have to be patient and think long term. So in 5 years, let's see how many weeks in 5 years. So 5 multiplication is 50 is 250 weeks. So in 250 weeks, $5,000 account turns into, guys, can you imagine 9 million $9 million 9,063,000 in 5 years time. A 5,000 account you can turn into $9 million. Now you are doing a job or whatever doing, how much money you can save. We think that okay, in 5 years time I will save $50,000 $100,000 to buy a house, but in 9 years time you can turn a $5,000 into $9 million. Can you imagine that? It's possible. It's very possible, but you have to follow the rules. So I'm telling you the rules. First of all, you have to be patient. You have to trade patiently. Number two, strategy. You have to have a strategy, simple strategy. Number three, consistency. Don't take out account, don't take money out of your account, or don't you don't need to add money in your account. Just you need to be at the same time every day trading. Now let's talk about the strategy, how we can turn this money into $1 million account. So consider any currency. I'm considering British pound, US dollar. Say we consider this currency. So what's the strategy? To trade this strategy, you need to put moving average in your chart. So how do you add moving average? Go to here. If you are using trading view, then go to indicators. All right, then the moving average already in my chart, but I'm showing you. Write EMA, average, moving average exponential. Click it like that. All right. So if you click it, look, there is another moving average in my um, chart. I delete my previous one so you understand how this works. So 1 second, I will delete my previous moving average. So this is what you have added. Okay, after you add, just double click on it, and then you will see input. Put a 10 here, and then change the color into style. Go to style and then change it to red. So that's 10 period moving average. All right. Now again go to indicators, type again EMA, moving average exponential, click it. So this is the new one, this blue one, double click on it, and then go to input again, add 20 period moving average, and then go to style, pick color blue, okay. So that's all. So two moving average, one is 20 period, another one is 10 period. Now look, any strategy that tells you a lot of stuff is a bullshit. You don't need a lot of things in a strategy. Strategy has to be simple, understood by anyone, any beginners. So the strategy I'm giving you is very, very simple. Okay? In this strategy, you have to find a trending market in any time frame, daily, hourly, 4 hourly, or 15 minutes. Okay? You have to find a trending market. So first of all, you have to identify a trending market in the daily time frame. Okay, you will identify the trending market daily time frame, and you will trade in 15 minutes as a day trader. So for example, this market, look, this is trending. All right, but how do you know if it is trending or not trending? So to know that, come down here in any place. For example, here, see the market has came down. If I grab a replay button, come here, assume that the market is here. It was trending up, right? And then it has a big drop here. For example, you are in this day and you are looking at the chart and you are thinking, well, what happening with this market? Is it trending or not trending? Now wait, see what happened. Okay, so after drop, it has gone up and then down. So wait to see what happened to find out the trend. Okay, now look, this market has a big drop and then has gone up and then gone down. Now in this area, this is a daily chart, so 1 2 3 4 5, a big time. Okay, in this zone the market was trending upward. So when you are here, say you are here, for example, you are here. Now, how do you know it is trending up or down? Just you have to see like this. Go up and then draw a trend line first. So this is a trend line. Now you have to see the market has gone up and then drop into the trend line like this. And then going up, dropping into the trend line, going up and then dropping into the trend line. So you have to count one just for going up, one, and then for dropping to the trend line, two, and then going up, three. So when you confirm up to three, this market is trending. So you have to count one, two, three. One for going up, for uptrend, and then coming down to trend line, and then going, so two, so one this way, coming down to the trend line by two, and then count three for going up. So when you see the market is here, it's trending. So it's confirmed it's trend. All right, let's see a few examples more. Okay, let's see. 1 second, let's see here. Okay, how do you know it's trending? Look at here. Look at here, look at here. So the market has got, look at this downtrend from here. Okay, the market has fallen here, and then green candle has gone up, and then again there is a drop, green candle gone up, again there is a drop. Okay, in the daily chart. So if you consider this is your trend line, look how the market has behaved. All right, and then there is a breakout here on this trend line. So this is a short-term trend line. So this is 1, 2, and then this is 3. So when it is confirmed up to here, that is trending. So when the market has dropped to this trending zone here, you can trade from this area. Okay, so this is in daily. So when you see a market is trending, now look at this uptrend. The similar things applied here. Draw your trend line, okay, and then see one. Okay, let's get rid of this so you understand it clearly. If I see here, okay, that's it, my trend line. Now go 1. This red candle is basically falling down here. 2, 3. So when the market is here, so 1, 2, 3, you know that the trend is confirmed. So the market has fallen here. From this place, you can start your trading with the trend. And then there is a big jump, and then has fallen here, again up, down, up, down. So there is a lot of way you can trade this trend. So that's how you identify the trend. So let's start our strategy. Okay. The rules of the strategy is number one. Number one is find a trending market. Okay, find a trending market. Find a trend. Number two. Uh, after finding a trending market, okay, now we'll learn the strategy. Rules of the strategy. Number one, trending market. Okay, you need to find a trend. You know how to find it now. Number two is wait for any candle to break down below 20 period moving average. See, this is 20 period moving average, blue. Red is 10 period moving average. So how do you know that the trend is up or down? By this moving average. When the red is above the blue, the market is uptrend. Remember, when the red is below the blue, the market is in downtrend. Say, look this example. So this one is trending up. How do you know? First, confirm the trend. Look, 1, 2, 3, and this is our trend line, right? This is our trend line. 1, 2, 3. So this is trending up, and from here we can take our trend. We can take our trade. So the market is confirmed trend. Now the direction is up because see this blue is below the red, so that's in uptrend. When it is in a downtrend, look, the blue is above the red, so this is in a downtrend. So you know that this is an uptrend. So in this market, we will trade, we will only buy, we will trade only upward direction, so we'll buy only. Now you found your market which is trending, you found the direction of the trend. Next is to wait for any candle to break below this 20 period moving average, any candle, and then close above. Okay, that's the only the rules. You don't have to follow a complex strategy. Okay, the people who tell you about the complex strategy, they just want to bullshit you, they want to sell something to you. The strategy has to be simple. Okay, now see here. Okay, here, look at this. The market has gone up and then came here, broke below 20 period, and then close above. After this candle, you can take a trade here. How will you take the trade? Entry here, stop loss here, and your profit target has to be at least 1, 2, 3. Remember, your profit target must be at least 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you will get more. Look at this trade. How much you can make profit? I'm giving you the smallest possible. But if you are a patient, if you have the right strategy and right mindset, you can make a lot of money from this trade. Look at here. If you put a trade here, say for example, a long trade from this place, so even from here, and then you put your stop loss below this, see how much money you make here. If you wait until up to here, even up to here, 14 times, that means in one trade you can make almost 15. If you take 2% risk on your account, you can make 30% in one trade. Guys, do you need to do a lot of trade? That's one trade enough, and you need only 15 minutes to half an hour to take this trade. That's it. It's in the 4 hourly time frame, so you get a lot of trade in this time frame. Okay. Now we'll say you don't know how far it will go, so you stay with 1:3. Take this trade. Okay, take this trade, long trade, and then this is your entry, stop loss here, and then say you close your trade with 1:3.1 or something like that. Okay, you got one trade here, and then wait for next. So what happened is uh, you took the trade and then has gone up, and then here again came down to 20 period moving average. Look, now you will wait for another trade here because you have the candle came out. Look, this candle touched the 20 period moving average, but it didn't break properly below. Okay, so we'll not take this one. This one also same, has touched. Now what about this candle? Will you take the trade here? No, because look, this candle has not closed above the 20 period. It has gone down enough but didn't close above. Next one, look at this one did not close above the 20 period moving average. Okay, what about this one? Look, this one has gone down and went up, did not close above this 20 period moving average, so we'll not take this trade. Now what about this one? We'll take this trade. Okay, we'll take this one. Look, it has came down to 20 period moving average and then closed above here. Okay, we'll take this one. Long trade, start from here, your stop loss is below here, and then your target is 1:3. Let's see you can do it or not. Okay, 1:3. Remember, you have to have a big target, otherwise it's not possible. Now look, it's very easily possible. Look, you win this trade by closing your eyes. Okay, you got within this time frame. So what is the date here? Look, this is the date on 8th February, and here is 17, 18th February. Okay, 10 days time. You already got two trade. Okay, you got 2 days, remember. Now come see here. What happened here? The trade has gone up, now here. Okay. The trade came down and then closed above. So if you might take this trade, but it will be a loser. Remember, you will not win all the trade. If you win all the trade, then everyone will become billionaire. Okay, so you have a losing trade here. Now you lose this trade. Wait, another one. Now the price came down below, and then look at here. It has aggressively closed above the 20 period moving average. So it came down below and then closed above. So we'll take this one here. Okay, so this one here, long from here, your stop loss should be here, and let's see what happened. Our 1:3 strategy. So you easily win this trade. Okay, you easily win this trade. 1:3. So what is the date here? It's 24. So we started on 8 February. Within 24 February, you got in 4 hourly time frame. If you go lower time frame, you will get a lot of trade. I am showing you higher time frame so that you can get less trade, but you understand that even spending little time, you can make money. Okay, within this 8 to 24, which is 12 days. Within this, no, sorry, 8 to 24, 12 plus 4 is 16 days. Within these 16 days, you made 9%. Think 3%, 3%, sorry, each trade you have 2%, so you made 18%. 18% in 16 days, and you had a one losing trade, which is 2%. So if you deduct this 18, you have made 16%, 16% in 16 days made. But I gave you a target of 4% in a week. So in 16 days, you have 2 weeks. You made 8% each week. Now tell me, guys, is it possible or no? Can you make this $5,000 account to 9 million in just 3 years, in just 5 years time? Can you do that? If say yes, then comment below, yes, I can do it. You have to believe in it. Say yes, I can do it. I will stick to the strategy. Now I will just review the strategy again so you can remember, or you can write down the rules of the strategy. Number one, finding a trending market. Okay, trending. How do you identify the trend? Trend is up or down. 1, 2, 3. When this confirmed, its trend is confirmed. What is that rule number 2? Is finding upward or downward trend. Okay, how do you find that? By moving average. If moving average is above the blue moving 20 period, that means blue is below the red, it's uptrend. If blue is above the red, or 20 period moving average is above the red, it is downtrend. So if it is downtrend, you will do sell trade. If it is uptrend, you will do buy trade. What is the next rule? Is wait for any candle to break well below the 20 period moving average and then close above. Either it is red or green, no problem. And then take the trade from here, stop loss below the swing low, and then your profit target will be 1:3 at least or more, and enjoy your profit. I hope you understand this video. I hope you understand this strategy. If you have any question, let me know by commenting below, and wait for another video. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, stay safe, trade safe. Thank you.